So here I have some tomato sucker. So these are tomato. These aren't the slicing tomato. I had planted the slicing tomato the other day, and now I have some plummy, as we Jamaican call it, some plummy. So I have some tomato right here. Now these are the same peppers, sweet peppers that I had before. I haven't planted these as yet because I'm giving it some more time, because sweet pepper very hard to catch after you transplant them. But I mean, they need planting now because they're getting big, they're getting taller. So I'm gonna have to get those plants. Over here now I have, so these are some broccoli over this side. These are the broccoli, and these are imperial broccoli. And these are some tomatoes, again the same kind of tomatoes. And over here I have some lettuce, and these are iceberg lettuce. So these younger ones need about another 4 weeks before they can be planted. So probably I plant them like in October. Because we're in the first week of September right now. So I think these are going to be planted in October. Yes guys, so these are my plants for the fall. I think I'm gonna try my hand at some cauliflower again, but that'll be after I get all these transplanted. These tomato sucker, they're coming along very nicely. Yeah, so they're very beautiful. Yeah. The reason why you see all those black right there is because whenever the rain is coming down, I have to cover these with zinc. Those zinc right there, so that they don't get beat up by the water. And I also made a makeshift greenhouse to keep the sun off, because the sun very hot during the daytime. So that's my makeshift greenhouse. Yes guys, I know it's not 100, but it does the job to keep the sun off the plants.